Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my slime vending machine. So first it says to add your 2 quarters and the 50-cent slot. And then it says to open this and there will be a container. So then it says to pour your white glue into the container. Now I'm just going to move that up so that it opens that way. Okay, Mom, can you hold this? So my mom will be in the background. It's like this. Oh, sorry, it opened. Okay, so now it should be coming out. And while we're doing this, I'm going to tell you how I kind of made it. So what I kind of did was, I don't know, I really just started off the top of my head and started gluing things together, and yeah, so that's how it came. So I'm not going to put too much glue because I already made a big batch before. So I'm just going to make sure that that tightens up. So then, after that, we are going to add our shaving cream. And you just press down here. And it will come out. Now that looks like enough. So then I'm going to take my mixing tool, which is just a toothpick, and mix it in. So once it's mostly mixed in, I'm going to push for the slime activator. And so this is the secret key to it. So then we have to add that to it and then we got our slime activator, and I'm just going to open the nozzle so it goes in, and I'm just going to mix it. And then it starts to form fluffy slime. And fluffy slime is fun to play with. So then I'm just going to knead it for a little, and it looks like our slime is made. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.